Welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can build a plan to make $5,000 a month or more or less with ChatGPT, with AI for affiliate sites. So what this will help you with is to build a plan and have it laid out on what you need to do to get to your money goals. So when you're thinking about building affiliate sites and you want to make money, one of the hardest things is getting a plan together to do that. And as you can see here, like the niche selection, content strategy, what affiliate offers should you promote, monetization, how to project revenue, site flipping strategy, and scaling plan. And there's other areas as well, but they're like the main ones that trip people up. So if you're having trouble working out a plan to make it happen, this will really help you. What I'm going to do is give you the prompt, and then I'm also going to show you how you can get ChatGPT to do some of this stuff for you and expand on areas that might create confusion. So if you like this video, do give us a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Do subscribe if you're interested in building income streams with AI, affiliate sites, your own products. I'll be covering it all on the channel. And if you're interested in building affiliate sites and want to get going quickly, check out the link in the description. It will take you through to this page. It's your freedom ticket, and what you get in a nutshell is 6 niches with all the content, 20 pages for each niche, and the right content done for you so you can get the sites up and running and start making money. There's a video there on the page and the link is in the description, so do grab that if you want to build some sites together that will actually work for you. Okay, so let's get straight into it. Here's the prompt that I suggest you use, something like this. You need to know how much you want to make, and I've actually picked a rough guide on the number of affiliate sites. You could change it, but here we go. I want to build 6 affiliate sites in different niches to make $5,000 a month using a combination of affiliate sales and flipping the sites for profit. Could you lay out a detailed plan of action? Please include niche selection, content strategy, what type of content should I create and how many posts per site, and how should I structure, affiliate offers, which affiliate offers to pick, monetization and revenue projection, a breakdown of potential revenue, site flipping strategy, and scaling plan. And then I'm telling ChatGPT to carry out the prompt above, and it's given me this information. So it's given me niche selection, criteria, high buyer intent, focus on niches where people are ready to buy, evergreen potential, look for products with consistent demand, low to medium competition, which you can look for on a keyword tool, monetizable products, ensure they're affiliate offers with high commissions, and then some niche ideas, smart home gadgets, fitness equipment, high-end kitchen appliances, personal health devices, and so on. Okay, outdoor tools. Content strategy, so it's given me an idea of the site structure, review posts, comparison posts, buying guides, best of lists, and how to posts. And then an idea on the timeline, how to work it out, month 1 to 2, create 10 core posts, and so on. And it's laid that out. Then it's given an idea on SEO strategies, the affiliate offers, the affiliate networks to have a look at so you can get paid, Amazon, Commission Junction, share a sale, and different ones like that. Then it's actually giving me monetization and revenue projections. Okay, low ticket products, average order value is $50. You need high traffic. Expect 3 to 6% commission, which would be around $2 to $5 per sale. So you're going to need more there. And then you've got high ticket products, and so on. You've got all of the recommendations there, and a traffic goal on how many visitors you'll need. Then we get into site flipping and a recommendation on that. But what I want to show you is this. You've got AI breaking down those main 6 steps: niche selection, content strategy, affiliate offers, but that's quite wide at the minute. It's like not narrowed in at all. What happens if you've got your plan here, and the original plan is for $5,000 a month. You could change that figure. What happens if you need more information about these areas to actually get it done? What you can do is this. So check this out. here's an exact, so here we go. This plan ensures a balance between growing sustainable uh, affiliate income and flipping sites. But check this out. What I've done is I've copied and pasted the bit, and I recommend that you do this. I've copied and pasted the part that I want more information on, and that part was traffic. Grow each site to at least 2,000 to 3,000 visitors per month with a steady stream of affiliate income, $300 per month. Give me the exact content plan and keywords to get this amount of visitors in the power washers niche. And you can see here, here's an exact content plan and keyword strategy to help you grow a site in the power washers niche to 2,000, 3,000. So it's taken that one area, and now I've given it a niche to focus in on, which in this case is power washers, and it's given me the exact content plan. Review articles, comparison articles, best of lists, how-to guides, informational articles, and it's even giving 6 to 8 articles for reviews, comparison 3 to 5, best of lists 2 to 3, how-to guides 3 to 4. It's even given me an idea on keyword strategy. So here we go, high buyer intent of the actual products, comparison keywords, best of list keywords, how-to guides, informational keywords, and then it's given me suggested titles and keyword targets for all of them, best of lists, review articles, and so on, and then timeline. And bear in mind that you could change this timeline if you wanted to, and have it quicker or take longer, and it will map it out for you. And then traffic and revenue projections. By targeting long tail key phrase and focusing, you can expect to drive around 500 to 800 visitors per month within the first 2 months. Okay, so what you want to do, let me go back up and show you. What you want to do with your plan once you get ChatGPT to give you one is take each area of the plan. Let's say you need help with niche selection, and copy it and say, give me more step-by-step help on picking my first niche, or give me some more information about these niches here. If you needed help with the content strategy like we've just had a look at, you can copy and paste and ask for more information. If you needed help with picking affiliate offers, you can ask for more help on that. If you needed more help on revenue projections, you can ask for more help. And the other thing that you can do is change the timeline and change the amount of money that you want to make to your liking, and that will allow you to build an affiliate marketing plan around affiliate sites with ChatGPT and get help with every single area. So I hope that helps you. Go and try out that initial prompt which is up here, which is I want to build 6 affiliate sites. You need the number of sites and the amount you want to make. Just pick a number of sites that you want to make and follow that prompt there. Pause the screen and follow that prompt, and then you will be able to get that initial look, and then you can get more information about each part. So go and give that a go, and that will allow you to get a plan down, get some clarity, and see how quick you can make money based on your goals. Really great way of setting goals. If you want to do it together and just make it easy, get your freedom ticket below. It's in the description, and I'd love to have you with us. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.